Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can transform not just your home, but your wallet too. That topic is decluttering. Hi everyone, I'm Dee from dmiddleton.com, and in this video we're going to explore how decluttering can actually save you money. Let's get started. Stay tuned to the very end of this video for my free printables to help you get organized. Did you know that clutter can negatively impact your finances? Let's look at 10 ways clutter costs us money. The first way clutter costs us money is by buying duplicates. When our homes are cluttered, it's easy to lose track of what we already own. This often leads to purchasing items we already have but can't find. The next way clutter costs us money is by storage cost. Paying for off-site storage units to house excess belongings can add up quickly. These monthly fees are a direct cost of having too much stuff. How about lost or damaged items? We've all experienced it. In a cluttered space, items can easily get lost and damaged. Replacing these items is an unnecessary expense that could have been avoided with better organization. Another way clutter costs us money is through higher maintenance cost. Having too much clutter makes it difficult to clean and maintain your home. This can lead to more wear and tear on your property, resulting in higher repair and maintenance costs. Clutter can even cause increased utility bills. The reason for that is clutter can block vents and make it harder to properly heat or cool a home, leading to higher energy bills. Too much clutter can cause missed bills and late fees. Important bills and documents can get lost in clutter, leading to missed payments and resulting in late fees or interest charges. Clutter can even cause a declining home value. A cluttered home can negatively impact its market value. When it comes time to sell, potential buyers may be turned off by the clutter, reducing the home's appeal and value. Clutter can even increase your health cost. Clutter can contribute to stress, anxiety, and even physical health issues like allergies and respiratory problems. These health issues can lead to increased medical expenses. Consider the idea of wasted food. A cluttered kitchen can make it difficult to see what food you have, leading to expired or forgotten items that end up being thrown away. This results in higher grocery bills. Check out my video on how to organize your meal planning to avoid this. Too much clutter can lead to reduced productivity. Clutter can lead to decreased productivity both at home and at work. This can impact earning potential and overall efficiency, costing you time and money. By addressing clutter, you can reduce these costs and create a more efficient, enjoyable, and financially healthy living environment. Speaking of decluttering, have you ever considered minimalism? Minimalism saves money in several impactful ways by fostering a more intentional and mindful approach to consumption and lifestyle. Here are some key ways minimalism can help save you money. Minimalism leads to reduced impulse buying. Minimalism encourages intentionality with purchases, leading to fewer impulse buys. By focusing on what truly adds value to your life, you avoid unnecessary spending on items that don't. Owning fewer items means you need less space to store them. This can reduce or even eliminate the need for paid storage units, saving you on monthly fees. Minimalism also leads to decreased maintenance and replacement cost. Fewer belongings mean less wear and tear on your home and its contents. This can result in lower maintenance and repair costs over time, both to your home and to the items you own. Minimalism can even lead to savings on home expenses. A minimalist home is typically easier and cheaper to maintain, clean, and organize. Reduced clutter can lead to lower utility bills as heating, cooling, and cleaning become more efficient. Adopting a minimalist lifestyle can lead to avoiding fashion and gadget trends. Minimalism often involves opting out of constantly updating wardrobes or gadgets to keep up with those trends. This saves money on frequently buying new clothes, tech, and accessories. Another way minimalism saves money is by choosing quality over quantity. Minimalists tend to invest in high-quality, durable items rather than cheaper, disposable ones. Although the initial cost may be higher, these items last longer and reduce the need for frequent replacements. A minimalist lifestyle encourages mindful eating and cooking. Minimalism extends to food consumption by promoting simpler, healthier meals. Cooking at home instead of dining out or buying convenience foods can lead to significant savings. You can also save money by enjoying fewer recreational expenses. Minimalists often prioritize experiences over possessions. This can lead to more free or low-cost recreational activities such as hiking, reading, or spending time with loved ones rather than expensive outings. How about the idea of reduced debt and financial stress? By focusing on needs rather than wants, minimalism helps individuals avoid accumulating debt from unnecessary purchases. Lower debt levels reduce interest payments and financial stress. What if you could have enhanced financial awareness and goals? Minimalism encourages a simplified lifestyle that aligns with personal values and long-term goals. This mindset shift often leads to more thoughtful financial planning and saving habits, prioritizing investments in experiences, education, or future security rather than in material goods. By adopting a minimalist approach, individuals can not only reduce their spending, but also create a more meaningful and financially stable life. So as you can see, decluttering isn't just about tidying up your space. It's about creating an environment that supports your well-being and financial health. Every item you own takes up space and, in a way, money. By decluttering, you're choosing to keep only what adds value to your life. One of the biggest financial benefits of decluttering is the reduction of impulse purchases. When you know exactly what you have at home, you're less likely to buy things you don't need. Decluttering can also put money directly back into your pocket. By selling items you no longer need, you can earn extra cash. You can try hosting a garage sale or use online marketplaces like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. So as you can see, maintaining a clutter-free home is easier and cheaper. Fewer items mean less time and money spent on cleaning, repairs, and maintenance. Decluttering can also shift your mindset toward mindful spending. As you declutter, you'll start to appreciate a simpler lifestyle, which can lead to more thoughtful and intentional purchases. This helps you stick to your budget and save more. If you need to get more organized, you can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If you're drowning in clutter, let me help inspire you. Clutter doesn't have to ruin your space. We're going to banish it. I have decluttered checklists for each room over at dmiddleton.com or at the link below. I want to inspire you to create a home for everything and make your housework more manageable and less time-consuming. Check out the links below. Thanks for watching.